Hello students, welcome once again to Mentor Generations with Teacher Angie. This is a channel that prides in making learning fun, making learning relevant, simplifying concepts, simplifying what you learn as students. And I'm excited actually about this session because it's question time. I hope you're ready. I hope you have had time to interact with the video on the concept of genetics and basically just understanding the background of whatever happens when it comes to genetics. And I hope you remember that everything happens at cell level. It happens at like in the inside of the cell, which is in the nucleus, and that's just basically what we are talking about here. So I hope you're set. I hope you're ready. I hope you're excited to go through with me and sail this ship together, or do you prefer fly this airplane and touch down once we are done with the questions? Now, I intend that after every video, we are going to do a few questions together, because questions are important for evaluation, just to not really to measure your intelligence, because believe you me, you are more intelligent than you know. And just a few questions here, or the questions you do at school, are not enough to really measure fully what you got. So do not be afraid, hop on and let's do this together. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you're missing out a lot. Please do so, share, comment, and enjoy your learning. Well, question 1, why is concept critical in any unit or topic? This is a general question, but just to bring you to the frame of mind on the necessity or the importance of concept. Now, concept usually is a general idea, it's a basis, it's a foundation of any topic. So basically, and by the way, if you are with me in this, I will just need you to pause the video and like come up with an answer before you go through the rest of the video, just to confirm that what you thought or what you came up with or what you wrote down in your notebook. And by the way, I need you to have pen and paper, because you need to use all your senses to learn. That way, it is stored in memory where you can remember and even teach your grandkids. Can you imagine? Don't you want to show your grandkids someday that you were this sharp kid in school? Nobody wants to show their grandkids that they were dumb, right? So yeah, that's one way to learn and keep information properly in files in the brain. So concept. It's critical to learn concepts in any topic, because concept basically is the foundation or is the basis of learning whatever you're learning in a topic. They are those facts, those proven facts in that particular topic. So yeah, they help you to be able to encounter confidently. It empowers you. They empower you to be able to apply the knowledge you're going to gather in any topic and tackle all questions with pretty much 100% confidence. Trust me on that, 100% confidence. Which student doesn't want to have that? You'll agree with me that no student wants to be caught unprepared, right? So concept is the way to go. Don't fear concepts, don't fear the word. It's just the details that you need to be able to build through with the knowledge you will learn along the way as you do the topics you do in your school, and as you do them with me in this channel. So yes, that's why concept is critical, to be able to build knowledge and answer questions and tackle them, no matter how twisted the questions may be. Well, question 2, list 3 concepts of genetics that you have learned through the video or you have learned at school. Well, one of them would be that in genetics we have the DNA, which is found in the chromosomes, and this DNA is a nucleic acid. It's an acid, it's a type of acid, but it's found in the nucleus, so that's why it gets the name nucleic. but it's found in the nucleus, and everything else that happens in genetics happens at the level of the nucleus, and it carries genetic information or hereditary information, which is passed on from parents to offspring. Some of them are observable, some of them are not. It is what makes you unique, the genes. So we are saying that the three concepts of genetics involve, in summary, DNA, which is found in the genes, which is found in the chromosomes, which makes us all unique, but at the same time similar and at the same time different. You get what I'm saying? And they're able to be passed on. So inheritance, heredity, from parent to offspring. You get that? If you were able to come up with that, then you are a brilliant student. Congratulations. If you were not able to, then still watch the other videos, but at the same time, pat yourself on the back because you are still learning, and I hope you used this video to learn and fill out those gaps in learning that you may have experienced so far. So what makes you unique as a person? What makes you unique as a person? It's definitely a word that begins with a G. So definitely you have the answer as genes. But if you had the answer as DNA, that's fine, perfectly fine, because genes and DNA are basically the same thing. And last question. Critically analyze the importance of variation in organisms. Wow. Variations. Now, variations comes from the word variety, which means lots and lots of differences in things. But in this case, in genetics, we are talking about variations within species, more especially within species. But also we have variations definitely across other species, like across different species. But in this context, I want us to critically look at variations within species. So say, for example, you're looking at human species, or bird species, or beans species, or maize species, fish species, elephant species. You can give whatever examples you have. So the importance of variations is 1, survival. Survival of organisms. Believe you me, if there is no variations, organisms would most probably become extinct, because they would not be able to operate within the changing dynamic environments that we have on the earth. And you will agree with me, nothing remains the same on the earth. There's so many changes happening. There's always changes. So yes, survival is the word for survival. Period. See how easy that was? Did you enjoy the question time? Well, I would like to end it at that point. I hope you learned a lot and you were able to measure how much you gathered in terms of your understanding of this topic so far. Please check out other videos in my channel. And this is Mentor Generations with Teacher Angie, a teacher who prides in simplifying learning, making learning fun, enjoyable, and just doing it in a way like no other. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you, and bye for now.